This song goes out to you, Reese. Dedicated to the lovely lady in your life. Can I have the music up, please? Everyone give a hand to my band. My Nokia phone. It's now or never. Come me time. Kiss me, my love. What's your name? I'll be mine tonight. 'Cause tomorrow, my name is Memphis, shall be too late. It's now or never, my love. When you first saw her, she could cry an ocean, and we lost true love. Oh, sweet devotion. I waited for a lifetime, been waiting around for the right one. You better be waiting for it. Who knows when we'll meet again this way. Thank you for the come hold me tight, kiss me, my love, be mine tonight. Make sure she's not here tonight, 'cause tomorrow will be too late. 'Cause it's now or never, my love won't wait. You know her name? Let me call out to her. Is she in the house tonight? Is she in the house tonight? Is she? Can you please come up if she's in the house tonight? Oh, I'm sorry. I think she's back in my head. Who knows, somewhere we'll meet again this way. It's now or never. Come hold me tight, kiss me, my darling. Oh, be mine tonight. Tomorrow will be too late. It's now or never, my love won't wait. It's now or never, my love won't wait. It's now or never. It's now or never, my love will wait. My last song tonight, I want to dedicate it to you. Thank you very much. I want to give this tissue out to this young man over here. Got a little thing in there. But this last song, while I was hiding in Samoa, I had a privilege to meet The Rock. No, The Rock told me he had a privilege to meet Memphis. Well, I was meant to do blue suede shoes tonight, but someone took off with my blue suede jangles when I left them outside the door in Samoa. Maybe it's The Rock. Maybe it's The Rock who took off. So if you see The Rock with blue suede jangles, just remember it belongs to Memphis. So this song goes out to you, and also goes out to all my friends. When I was in Samoa, I learned how to speak Samoa. If you don't believe me, Whawhatailava. And there were also some guys who try to look like me. Can you hold the music, please? Hold the music, please. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nokia. Thank you. So I want to dedicate this song to my very good friends, Willie Tavito, and those other guys. Is it David Parker? Well, this song goes out to you, Reese. It means don't be cruel. Thank you very much, man. gonna sing a song before I go back and catch my bus. I said, oh, please, please, telephone, don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't wanna make me feel this way. Come on here and love me. Oh, please, please, celebrate, don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other love, baby, it's just you I need. It's all like 24 hours. Oh, feel what the time. Oh, feel what the time. All the time I see when they know I'm hard. I don't wanna be tired, 'cause tigers play too well. I don't wanna make you feel this way. Oh, come on here and love me. Oh, please, please, I need you to a heart that's true.